need to hear it.
It's gonna come back.
Is it though?
There it is.
Okay. Are you ready?
Why are you acting like I've never done this before? Just give me the glass.
No, I'm going to show you how to do it.
Okay.
Okay. So this is what you do. Take a glass of water, turn it upside down. Can you see me?
Yep.
Okay. And you drink it from this side,
It's weird.
What?
And it works.
and your hiccups are gone. Just watch. Watch.
I'm over here recording. Over here.
Okay, do it before we get gross out more.
How is that possible?
Okay, come up for air.
Let's see what happens.
Are they gone?
I don't know yet. I won't know yet.